Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial discussing how you can alter the availability of your web viewer. All web viewers are not available by default, so what this means is that the creator of the web viewer, when they are not present in the space, other participants who come into the space and try to use the browser page on that web viewer will be unable. This, however, can be adjusted by changing the web viewer availability. So as you can see here, I have a web viewer open on Google Maps, and this is a web viewer that I've created, so I have the capability of changing the accessibility. So if I go to the three dots at the top right-hand side of my web viewer and click on that, you'll see that I have the capability of making the web viewer always available to participants. This means that when I'm not active in the space, participants are able to come back and still use this web viewer browser page that I have open. This permission is reversible, however. If I go back to the three dots, I can easily turn this off and make it so that when I leave the space, other participants can come back and not be able to use this browser tab that I have open. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.